so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
The producer.
What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God. Rope God. Rope God. Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with a video on how, actually, first before I say this, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I know y'all wondering how the hell this nigga get his waves like this. Bro, how you get your waves like that, man? How you get your waves like that, bro? It was better before. We working to get our waves to be perfected, you feel me? Working towards perfection. That's what we do this for, man. You already know what it is, PB gang. Anyways, man, I'm gonna explain to you guys how I got my waves like this. Hey, look. This is how you get your waves like this, man. It's the 8-angle breakdown, bro. 8-angle breakdown is going to better everything in your waves, bro. To get your waves to perfect it, you have to learn your angles, the correct angles to your 360 wave pattern that you desire. So if you're going, if you know, not 360 wave though, any pattern that you desire. But this right here is the 8-angle breakdown for 360 waves, man. This right here is gonna take your waves to the next level. So pay close attention. Watch the video to the end, from start to finish, because you wanna know, I'm gonna explain to you guys everything, man, how the hell to get your waves cracking like these, you feel me? How to get your every angle, man. It's 8 angles on your head that you gotta hit with the brush. Each brush stroke, each angle, the correct angle you gotta hit to, you know, to make your waves go to the next level, man, pretty much. You feel me? This is the 8-angle breakdown, man. So right now I'm gonna explain to you guys all the angles, man. I'm gonna break it down to y'all. 8-angle breakdown, man, 2018. I already did it in 2016. That's the first time I ever done it, the video. I did another updated version in 2017. Now we're in 2018, right? So it's time for an update, man. Y'all recommended it. I was gonna do it anyways, you feel me? So I'm gonna explain to you guys all the angles. And what this is gonna do is, excuse me, what this is gonna do is, it's gonna better your connections, okay? You need to learn the correct angles for your 360 wave pattern. Each time your brush gotta hit the same angle each time, every angle. And there's 8 angles on your head to achieve elite 360 waves. So I'm gonna explain to you guys right now each angle that you gotta hit. It's gonna basically better your connections It's gonna make your waves look better. You feel me? It's gonna give you definition. You feel me? And then you do this the same way that you brush, you comb the same way. It's the same thing. So, as y'all can see, these look good, right? We getting back. Okay, so the first angle, man, is right here behind. This is number one, first angle. All right, first angle. You come straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down. Boom. That's one. Second, right here, where you finished off at. Second. Okay. It's the second angle. All right. Your third, right here. It's your third. Your fourth, to make sure you're on track, your fourth is always your top left or your top right, okay? Like I said, there's three angles on your top. Your top left, middle, and right. So your fourth angle are always gonna be right here, or either your left or your right, depending on where you start off at. So if you start from your left side, it's your fourth angle gonna be on your right, your left side. You start from your right side, from like I showed y'all the first time, it's gonna be on your right side, the fourth angle. So that's the fourth. The fifth, always in the middle. So you can know you're on track. Fifth is always in the middle, straight down, straight in the middle, straight down, right? In the middle, straight down, boom, boom, boom. Six, right here, top right. Six, top right, boom. And then you got seven right here. You know what I'm saying? Your right side, like kind of angle. And then you got eight, your back right. Boom, 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 boom. And then you start off again, boom. So those the angles right there, man. And those the correct angles to hit, to make your waves go to the next level, to become an elite waver, etc., bro. I'm telling y'all don't steer me wrong. I won't steer you guys in the wrong direction, bro. We gonna track, bro. You feel me? We gonna stay in lanes. We gonna stay in the lane. We gonna stay on track. We won't crash, trust me. I ain't gonna let y'all crash. I'm gonna tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all the right direction. And I ain't gonna never steer y'all in the wrong direction, trust me. So that's the 8-angle breakdown right there. I guarantee you, if you brush your hair like this every single time, every single brush session, if you brush your hair like that every single time, whether if you're combing, you're brushing, combing or brushing, it's the same shit, same angles, okay? It's going to better your connections. It's going to straighten out your cricket waves. It's going to straighten out your cricket waves. It's going to break your forks. It's going to better your connections. It's going to, you know, make your definition better. It's going to overall just make your waves better overall. And all type of different, you know, different aspects of waving. Trust me, trust the process. All right, so we're gonna go over this shit one more time. I'm gonna go fast though for you guys so you don't forget. If y'all forget, just rewind the video, it's nothing. All right, or watch it again. All right, so we're gonna start it again. One, I'm gonna do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you start off like that again. No matter what brush you're using, hard, medium, soft brush, plastic bag, those are the angles right there, man. All right, so that concludes the video, man, of my 8-angle breakdown video. And I'll guarantee you your waves will go to the next level. Okay, that's the best way to brush your 360 waves. Listen to me, bro. I've been doing this shit for a long time. You clearly can see it's working. You clearly can see it works, bro. Look at my hair. Look at my waves. Look at my shit. I'm a 360 waver, bro. Listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not the one that got the knowledge and don't have the waves to show for it, I should say. I got the knowledge and I got the waves to show for it, bro. All I do is do what I do, learn what I learn, and teach you guys. Not everything I teach you guys is gonna work for y'all. Most of it will, some of it won't. You gotta try it for yourself to see if it worked though. You feel me? Try it for yourself to see if it worked. This right here, I guarantee you it will work though. Other methods and all that, you know, I just learn shit and I perfect it before I actually put it out there and make you guys, you know, I put it out there and for you guys to learn it. You let you guys know. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna just do something and not perfect it before I put it out there for you guys to learn it. It won't be right, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I learn shit first. I make sure I learn it, I perfect it, experience it, make sure it's working for me, and then I put it out there for you guys, the content, so you guys can do it. But this shit gonna work, all right? It's gonna work. Should I do a thumbnail like this? Thumbnail, boop. Thumbnail, boop. Thumbnail. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that's it, man, for the video. Thanks for watching. I guarantee you it'll work. You know, my OG subscribers already know what to do, man. Y'all already know what's up with the 8-angle breakdown. Like I said, I've been doing this method. I've been brushing like this for years. You know what I'm saying? I first started off like that in 2016. And it is now 2018. I have other 8-angle breakdown videos too as well each year. This 2018, y'all recommended it, I did it. It was time for, it was definitely due for an update. With that being said, man, I love all you guys. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button now. I want a lot of likes, bro. A lot of likes. I put hard work in this, man. Appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it if y'all like it. Just like it. You feel me? And also, if you're new tuning into the channel, my name is Poppy Blaster, aka Rope God, man. They call me the Rope God because look at this. Hey, it's simple, bro. Make sure you guys subscribe, man, so you guys can join the family, join the PB gang. Also, hit the when you subscribe, join the post notification, join the notification gang by hitting that bell, highlight it, so that you will not miss out on none of this greatness. Everything I put out, man, is A1. All right, I'm here to help y'all. That's what I'm here for, to help y'all. So with that being said, man, y'all have a blessed day. I'm outie.
Fredo, the producer.